Welcome in City of Malabon.
Hello everyone, this is Malabon Group and today we're here at
We're going to explore some of the amazing creatures that they have here.
Dive into the heart of Malabon Zoo and make unforgettable memories together.
As you can see on my background, we have here the tiger, and their scientific name is Panthera tigris. They came from India, and they only eat meat.
As you can see here, the lion on my back is doing the cat stalk. Cat stalking its prey comes close to the ground and creeps silently forward with ears erect and tail switching. So that is the thing that they do if they're going to catch their prey. Here on my left, it's a lion, or in scientific name, Panthera leo. Mostly they feast on wild beasts like zebras and antelopes. And they're also labeled as king of the jungle.
So in this section, we can see that there's a huge variety of sea creatures. So let's go ahead and check them out one by one.
We're here at Just Pansitan. Let's go!
So now we're here at Just Pansitan in Malabon to taste their famous and very delicious Pansit Malabon.
For our next destination, we're here at San Bartolome Church.
And this is located at Malabon City, near at Malabon City Hall.
bid farewell to the enchanting street and savor the lights of Malabon City, we carry with us not just memories but a deeper appreciation for its rich tapestry of culture and history. From the colorful alleys to the savory aromas drafting from its kitchens, Malabon has woven its way into our hearts. As we embark on our next adventure, we leave behind a taste of our wanderlust, knowing that Malabon's charm will be forever beckoned us back to its vibrant embrace. Until we meet again, may the spirit of exploration guide our paths, and may our journeys be as enriching as our time in this captivating city.